Hi, I'm Chris Harvey, the Service Manager of Buckingham Ford, and today I want to address a particular issue regarding stop-start on vehicles. So stop-start is a facility that enables a car to basically switch off when you come to a set of traffic lights or a stationary position. This enables you to protect the environment by not emitting harmful gases. Now, we're getting increasing amount of calls through our service department where people are saying that their stop-start system isn't working. Now, one of the contributing factors for this is, dare I say it, COVID, where people are spending more time at home and leaving their cars on the driveway. What this does is it runs the battery down on the vehicle's battery. Now, for a non-start or stop-start to work, it needs to have a battery charge of more than 75%. So over a period of time, battery's voltages are dropping, which means that when you did get to the lights, if there wasn't this fail-safe in place, the vehicle wouldn't start again. So the key is that the vehicle must stay mobile. So this fail-safe device comes on board to be able to say, I'm going to switch this service off until such time as the battery has enough power. So one of the ways you can combat this is a battery will charge up from a device called an alternator. Now, the alternator will send a charge to the battery when it feels the battery is under load. So under normal driving, when you're just running down the road and you haven't got anything operating on the vehicle apart from the engine, the battery is just going to drift away in charge. And the alternator is going to say, actually, you don't need any help. So if you drive your vehicle with the side lights on or the heater fan blower going, what this will do is put the battery under load, and it says to the alternator, hang on a minute, I need to throw some charge into this battery. And if it starts throwing charge into the battery, once it achieves 75% or greater, the start-stop will start working again. So that's not the only factor that start-stop works with, but it's the contributing factor to why most people are phoning today. The other factors can be the temperature, the outside temperature. When the vehicle drops or the outside temperature drops below 4 degrees, start-stop can and sometimes doesn't start to work. So then again, it switches itself off. So it's really key to keep your battery up to speed. And as I say, just do this by putting the car under load. Either have the fan on, have your headlights on, and during the day, if this happens, then you'll get more load into the battery, get past that 75%, and the start-stop will start to work again. Lots of start-stops, and it's very important that this facility works for you. Good luck, and if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at Buckingham Ford. Our telephone number for the service department is 01280 825 707. My name's Chris, thanks for listening.